Welcome back. Time for tonight's Tank Takes, where we take a look at the world of crime and justice and some stories that are different than the rest of the stories on this program. Still with us, Al Wunsch, Darnell, Crosland, Jennifer Brandt. Are you ready?
Ready to go.
Story number one, I'm calling this one Finders Keepers. A man in Connecticut has been charged with larceny. He found a bag filled with thousands of dollars that were dropped on the ground. And apparently it was dropped by a worker from the town with all the town's tax receipt funds. It was dropped by an employee of the town's tax division. I thought Finders Keepers was the law. Why can't he keep the money, Al?
Well, Van, that was from the old ancient Roman custom of inventoris custodes from the jurist Gaius. However, in 1982, there was a decision that came down, and I quote, "Finders keepers unless the true owner claims the article." Parker versus British Airways, it's the British common law. We follow that. He has to give it back.
Darnell, you representing this guy? Do you have a conflict here?
No, I don't have any conflict. I'm trying to get his number now.
All right, let's get to our next story here. I'm calling this one STD Divorce. So there's this woman in South Dakota, had some car trouble, allegedly, and pulled over to the side of the road. She subsequently made a 911 call. Take a listen.
What's going on there?
I was just raped.
I'm sorry?
I was just raped.
Okay, how long ago did this happen?
Maybe like 45 minutes ago. Someone pulled up behind me. And he shoved me in the back of my car.
Okay.
He put a rope on my hands and my feet.
Upon further review, the folks at the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Department figured out that she had not been raped. In fact, she admitted to the lies. She was arrested. You saw her mugshot. Apparently, she's married, cheated on her husband, and was looking to get a free STD test. Jennifer Brandt, or no, let's go with Al. Al, where's the best place to get a discreet STD test?
Well, you know, Ben, a STD test is $169. She has to pay $17,245 for the false police report. So she didn't do the economic thing. But let me just give you this one lesson. The secret to avoiding STDs is Kleenexes.
Yeah, exactly. I went over my head. I'm not even going to think about it.
Kleenexes. Kleenexes.
Gotcha.
The X is clean. Hence the term, Kleenexes.
All right. Oh. I got it. Jennifer Brandt.
For 2 weeks, Vin. That's what happens when you're out for 2 weeks.
Jennifer Brandt, go ahead.
You just lose all of this.
Your thoughts, Jennifer?
Well, it would have been just easier for her just to go on with the affair and, knock on for the test, Vinny, or gone to her own doctor. I don't understand.
I don't understand it either. We don't make it up. We just report it, Darnell. All right, I got the final one for you, Darnell. I'm calling this one Do Not Enter. A San Francisco bakery is refusing to allow and refusing to serve police officers because of their policy of no guns in the bakery. They say that they've banned guns, explaining the strict policy of prohibiting guns in our restaurant keeps us safer. And the police said, at Reams, we do have a policy to not serve anyone that is armed in a uniform. No police allowed. Darnell, what happens if they get robbed?
Well, those laws and those policies and positions are taken by people part of the DNC. So if they do get robbed, they probably call a good Republican like myself, and then now they want help. So, that's what happens. They make up these rules, and then they don't apply to anybody. They just sound liberal and they sound fun.
Al?
Yeah, Van, these bakers are glazed and confused for permitting this crummy policy and need to rethink it. Do not allow it.
Jennifer Brandt, you have the final word here.
I don't know if I could top Al's words.
Maybe some sprinkles. Put some sprinkles on it. That'll be perfect. Al,
Bear claw.
Al, Al Wunsch, Darnell Crosland, Jennifer Brandt, thank you all so much. Appreciate your time. We'll see you again really, really soon. All right, folks, before